5 ways to make money online for a student. Are you a student who wants to make money online? Then you are at the right place. Here I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money online for a student. As a student, you probably understand how expensive university is nowadays. You have to pay for tuition, accommodation, food, books, transport and more. So how can you make money on the side? I am also a college student and my income comes from entirely online business. I am making money and continuing my studies. In order to get paid while studying, we have compiled a list of best ways to make online for students. Number 1. Teach your juniors and get paid. College students often lack skills in areas like writing, research, and critical thinking, which means that they need assistance. If you know how to teach college students, you can earn money while you are helping them grow. But you may wonder, if there are resources available, then why did they approach me? Well, interactive learning is more beneficial as compared to just watching videos on YouTube and studying. Number 2. Sell your study notes online. If you are a brilliant student and did your study well, then why not sell the notes that are already made? There is a number of students looking for study notes that can help them throughout their course. However, if they give the study material, it will help them in their studies. Consequently, it will add some cash to your pocket. You can also refer the student who previously approached you for teaching purposes. Here's how to sell your textbook notes. Number 1. Take a picture of each subject. Number 2. Compile it in MS Word or Google Documents. Number 3. Now export it as a PDF. Number 4. Here you can upload it on a blog if you can, or just upload it on Google Drive. Now, tell the juniors if they are willing to get study notes they can get from me. Tip: keep the rate low as $5 or $10. Therefore, students can easily buy them. Number 3. Buy phone sale and purchase. The mobile phone business is a huge global industry. As of 2022, there were 15.96 billion mobile phones sold around the world. It means in the world's population, each individual has roughly 2 devices. While people are getting more mobile devices, they are using their phones for more than just phone calls. But how these stats can help you? So you can start the retail side hustle of the sale and purchase of mobile phones. If you have good investment, then starting with new devices is great. Otherwise, selling and purchasing used mobile phones can also be a smart idea. Number 4. Part-time online job. This is a great strategy if you are looking for a part-time job online and don't want to be stuck working in a cubicle. Instead, you can work from home or from a coffee shop, and you can pick up side projects along the way. The key of being successful with this strategy is to be disciplined. When you work for yourself, you have to stick to a schedule or else your productivity will suffer. Number 5. Get paid to write articles. If you are good at writing, you can use this to earn some extra money. Some people will pay you to write articles for them. You may be able to get paid $50 to $100 per article or even more. It's not hard to earn some money writing articles. Most people can write about their personal experiences, and they can also write about topics that interest them. You can get paid to write topics such as health, business, research articles, home improvement, gardening, parenting, relationships, and many other topics. Your pay will depend upon your skill set. Still watching the video? I have a bonus method for you. Bonus tip: dog walking and sitting. Dog sitting is a lucrative opportunity because there are so many dog owners looking for someone to take care of their dogs. In addition to being able to make money while getting some quality petting, dog sitting owners can build relationships with people who will become lifelong friends. This is a business that relies on referrals. So, how do you start a dog walking business? Start by asking your neighbor if they need someone to take care of their pet while they are at work, away on vacation, or on dates. Next, you need to sign up to become an active member of the community or Facebook groups. You can also set up online profile on rover.com so that interested parties can search for you. Conclusion. In conclusion, it's never too late to learn how to make money online, students. You don't have to be an expert in any particular field. All you need is a computer, a reliable internet connection, and a desire to make money online. Furthermore, I want to make it clear that this is not an instant way to make money online. It takes time, effort, and persistence. But if you follow the process, you will succeed. Thanks for watching.